Nat learns to clean up. This is Nat. Nat loves to play. She plays with her blocks. She plays with her dolls. She plays with her little animals. But Nat never picks up her toys. Everything stays on the floor. Nat, dinner is ready, says Mom. Pick up your toys before you come down. I'll pick 'em up in a minute, says Nat. In a minute, and she runs out of the room. Right behind her comes her little brother. Boom! Her little brother trips on a block. Mom hugs him and gives him a kiss. Then she sits down next to Nat. Cleaning up is caring. She tells her a toy on the floor can hurt somebody. Nat looks at her toys on the floor and doesn't say anything. The next day, Nat gets to school. There is a sign on the wall, everything in its place. Nat runs right past it. She doesn't even see it. Good morning, friends, says Miss Mia. Pat, Seba, Lee, Cam, and Vera are already sitting on the rug. Nat sits down too. Today is cooking day, says Miss Mia. We are going to the cafeteria to make chocolate chip cookies. The puff clap their hands. Everybody will take their cookies home in a little bag with their name on it. In the cafeteria, Nat mixes, Nat kneads. Nat makes her cookies nice and round. She puts chocolate chips on them. 1, 2, 3. These are for my little brother, she says softly, smiling. The cookies come out warm and sweet smelling. Miss Mia puts a little bag with each puff's name on the table. Nat's bag says, Nat, now it's time to clean up, says Miss Mia. Put your cookies in your bag and clean up your spot. Pat puts his away, Seba puts his away. Lee, Cam, and Vera put theirs away. Nat looks out the window at the playground. She already wants to go play. I'll clean up in a minute, says Nat. In a minute, and she runs off with the others. Her cookies stay all alone on the table. Her little bag stays empty. At the end of the day, the puff come back to the cafeteria for their bags. Nat runs to look for her cookies, but her cookies are not alone anymore. Ants, says Nat. One ant carries off a crumb, another one carries off another, and another. Oh no, says Nat. Miss Mia helps her throw the cookies in the trash. Her friends are waiting with their bags full. Nat has nothing to take home. Miss Mia kneels down beside her and hugs her. I wanted to give my cookies to my little brother, says Nat with her eyes full of tears. I know, says Miss Mia. Cleaning up is caring. Tomorrow you're gonna do it. That night, Nat keeps thinking. She remembers what her mom said. Cleaning up is caring. So she gets up and puts her blocks in the box. She puts away her dolls. She puts away her little animals. Her little brother comes running in, and this time he doesn't fall. The next day, there is a new surprise. Cupcakes! Nat decorates hers with frosting and purple sprinkles. Now it's time to clean up, says Miss Mia. And this time, Nat puts a cupcake in her backpack before anybody else. Nat gets home with her cupcake in her hand. This is for you, she tells her little brother. They sit down at the kitchen table and eat the cupcake together. Because now, Nat knows that cleaning up is caring.
Thanks for reading with us. If you enjoy the story, you'll see 2 codes on the screen. The green one takes you to our Teachers Pay Teachers store with all the activities and resources from the Puff Values series. The blue one takes you to Amazon, where you can get the story in paperback or ebook. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new Puff story. See you soon!